The majority of Jamaicans believe music and sports are the country's biggest achievements since independence. The findings were obtained from a recent RJR Gleaner Don Anderson poll.
When it comes to sports, Jamaica continues to showcase its athletic prowess to the world. Names like Usain Bolt, Asafa Powell, Veronica Campbell-Brown, and Shelly Fraser-Price top the list. Bolt holds the world record in the male 100 and 200-meter races. Elaine Thompson-Herah is the first woman to win back-to-back Olympic titles in both the 100 and 200 meters. The name Chris Gayle is also recognized in international cricket. For the first time, Jamaica qualified for the 1998 FIFA World Cup in France. And when it comes to music, we stand tall. Reggae icon Bob Marley is internationally recognized for his outstanding contribution to the music industry. Shaggy, Sean Paul, Jimmy Cliff, and Tessanne Chin are also among the long list of music legends. So when Jamaicans were asked about the country's greatest achievements since independence, 39% said sports and 27% music.
We never prompted anybody. We simply asked the question, what would you say was Jamaica's greatest achievement since independence? It's interesting to note that when you look at the demographic profile of that 39%, it was right across, equally males and females, equally young persons vis-a-vis middle-aged persons vis-a-vis older persons.
9% said culture was Jamaica's greatest achievement, 6% economic development, and 4% economic growth. Other achievements include electoral reform, political maturity, and reducing poverty. So, how should the political directorate view these findings?
They should be disappointed, perhaps, but I'm not quite sure the expectations should have been high in terms of political reform, because there have been a lot of criticisms in terms of what we see as what's playing out in terms of the political machine right now.
The RJR Gleaner Don Anderson poll was conducted between July 16 and 26. 1,113 people were interviewed. The margin of error was plus or minus 3%.